Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. Now if you're a fan of cookies and cream, then you're going to love what I'm making today, and it's coming right up. So today I'm making a cookies and cream no-bake cheesecake. It's stunning, it's delicious, it's easy to do. So let's go. Okay, now in my bowl here I have 250 grams of plain chocolate biscuits that I have crushed, or I've put in my food processor, so now it's a lovely fine crumb. To this I'm going to add 150 grams of unsalted butter that I have melted, and we're going to mix these two ingredients together until they're thoroughly combined and the mixture should resemble wet sand. So I have my 22 centimeter springform tin here lined and ready to go. I'm going to take my biscuit mixture and just chip that into the base of my cheesecake tin. Using my spatula, I'm just going to shift that biscuit around to make sure I have it evenly distributed. And once I'm happy with that, there's no other way but to use your hands to press that nice and firmly down into the bottom of our tin. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to pop that in the fridge while I'm making the cheesecake mixture. Now over at the stove here, I have 180 grams of white chocolate that I've been melting in a heat-proof bowl on top of a simmering pan of water. So this mixture is almost nice and smooth now. Once that is done, I'm just going to take it off the heat to let it cool slightly. Okay, next step. So in this little jug, I have 60 ml of boiling water. To this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of gelatin powder, and I'm going to stir quite vigorously to allow that gelatin to dissolve. And once it has dissolved completely, I'm going to let this mixture cool for about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to use my kitchen stand mixer now to make the cheesecake filling. So the first thing we need to do is add 360 grams of cream cheese in our mixing bowl. Next, we're going to add 110 grams of sifted caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 300 ml of double cream. All right, we're going to mix those 4 ingredients now until they come together nice and smooth. Okay, that's perfect. So those ingredients have come together lovely and smooth now. So I'm just going to clean this beater so I can detach my bowl and add 2 ingredients at this stage. We are going to come back to that gelatin, which has cooled. We're going to add that to the mix. White chocolate, going to add that in. Right, so now we're going to stir those ingredients in. So that means my beaters are going to go on quite a low speed. Okay, that looks really good. So now we have our final and most important step, and that is we're going to fold in our Oreo biscuits. So in my little bowl here, I have 150 grams of Oreo biscuits that I have chopped. So, you know, quite finely. That's really up to you if you want it nice and coarse or a little bit finer. So here we go. I'm going to add that in here. Oh, this is where the cookies and cream magic happens. I'm going to fold that in. And that's done. So the final step now, of course, is to pour this beautiful mixture into our prepared cheesecake tin. So in we go. Okay, so I've just smoothed the top now with my spatula, and that's going to go in the fridge to set for at least 3 hours. Overnight is even better if you can. Now, if you want to leave it at that, that's fine, that's done. You can just take it out of the fridge, take it out of the tin, and cut and serve and enjoy. But of course, you can always decorate the top. I like to decorate this with a little bit of chocolate ganache and some mini Oreo cookies. You can drizzle some chocolate over the top. You could even use some fresh strawberries to top that, and it'll have a lovely contrast of color with that cookies and cream. So it's up to you, but like I said, that's ready to go once it has set. So if you want to have a go at making my cookies and cream cheesecake, just check out the description box below, find my website, hit the link, and then you can try it for yourself. Don't forget, if you've liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up, or better still, hit that subscribe button so you always know what I'm up to when I'm in the kitchen. And I'll see you next time.